Hello guys, welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can sign up for your ChatGPT account. ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have human-like conversation and much more with the chatbot. The language model can answer questions and assist you with tasks such as composing emails, essay, and codes. Now follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now let's get started. Now firstly open up any web browser on your PC and there search for chat.openai.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. Now if you already have ChatGPT account, then you can tap on login button and then type in the credentials and then get logged into your ChatGPT account. But in the case you want to create an account for ChatGPT, you have to tap on sign up button. And once you tap on sign up button, you will be directly taken to its sign up page. Now here you have to enter your email address, or you can also create your ChatGPT account using either your Google account or your Microsoft account. Now if you want to create your account using your email address, then you have to type in your email address in this box like this, and then you have to tap on continue button. And you will taken to the next page where you have to create a password for your account. You can tap on I icon to reveal and double check your password. And once you're done with typing in your password, tap on continue button. Once you tap on continue button, you will taken to the next page where you have to fill your first name, last name and your date of birth. Now fill these details correctly. And once you're done with it, tap on continue button. Now you have to choose the country code and then enter your phone number. Once you're done with typing in your phone number, tap on send code button. Now check the code in your phone and then type in that code here. And once your code gets verified, you will be taken to the next page which looks like this. Now you just need to tap on next button and then again tap on next button and lastly tap on done button. And there you go, you have successfully created your ChatGPT account. Now that was the step-by-step process on how you can create your ChatGPT account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.